Hello and welcome to a fast Dodo Kibble tutorial. Make sure you have a cooking pot and that there is something with which you can light the cooking pot. In this case, thatch has been used. Add 1 dodo egg, 3 fiber, 2 mejo berries, 1 cooked meat, 1 raw carrot, and 1 water jar. Make sure the water jar is filled with water and light the cooking pot. It should take a couple of seconds until the ingredients are boiled. Once the Dodo Kibble is ready, some ingredients will disappear and Dodo Kibble will appear. As you can see, Dodo Kibble appeared. It is as simple as that. Dodo Kibble can be used to tame various creatures. Currently, one can tame pteranodons, Mesopithecus, and Ichthyosaurus, as you can see here in the water. And that is all for this episode. As always, you are welcome to subscribe. With kind regards to you all, and thank you for watching.